Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and today we have an unboxing here. The shipping box was quite large, wouldn't fit on the table, so took the watch box out. Haven't looked at it yet, but anyway, let's get it out of here. This is the new Hamilton Murph in a 38 millimeter size. The original one is 41, 42 millimeter. It's all dial, so a tad bit too large for my 6.5 inch wrist. So anyway, let's get this out of the box. This watch is lent in by Saltzman's Watches, but I have the option to purchase it, and I'm almost positive I'm probably going to purchase it. It doesn't really make sense, but I'm pretty sure I will buy it. So yeah, let's check it out. See, I don't have that many Hamilton watches. I have a Khaki King. Actually, I have an automatic and a mechanical. But anyway, let's get this out of here. Looks like a wood box. Nice wood box here. All right, let's get it out of here. You know what? There's just a manual there, and then it looks like a warranty card. The original one, actually, I think the limited edition of the original one has this real cool looking box. It's like a plastic box with lines running through it. It's from a scene in the movie. If you haven't, anyway, so this watch is based on a watch in the movie Interstellar, and the one in Interstellar was the 41, 42 millimeter size, which is really a big watch, especially since it was it belonged to a woman in the movie. So anyway, just the manual here, which I don't ever really read these. All right, let's get this out of here. Really like the cathedral hands and the Arabics. Should be a calf leather strap. Let's get this thing off of here. I'll probably put it on a different strap. Thinking a nice vintage looking brown strap would be cool. Yeah, MSRP for this is $895. I'm not sure what Saltzman's is selling it for, but I'll leave a link in the description to their website, so go check them out. Also, I'll leave a link to their Instagram account, and I always appreciate them sending these watches over for us to check out. So if you could go check out their website and Instagram, it'd be really nice for you to do that. So this has 80 hours of power reserve, if I remember correctly. Should be the power, I don't know if they call it the Powermatic 80. They may call it the H10 or something. Swiss made, water resistant, 10 bar, 145 psi, which I've never really seen anyone else do except for Hamilton with that psi rating. The crown does look a little bit, sticks out a bit from the case. Don't really care for that. Yeah, so a nice vintage Arabics and loom here. If this tells me the movement or not. I'll put it in the video description what the movement is that's in here, but I'm pretty sure it's got the 80 hours of power reserve. And it should be 6 beats per second, so it's not a high beat like you would typically see, but you do gain that 80 hours of power reserve for the 6 beats per second instead of probably what you normally you'd get about 42 hours. But the Tudor here in my right hand is 70 hours of power reserve with 8 beats per second. But again, this is a what is this? $3,800 versus $900. All right, enough of the blabbing. Let's wipe this off, and I'll zoom in, and I'll get it on wrist. Yeah, I'm really excited about getting this one in. I really like the cathedral hands. And I like the vintage loom on here. Speaking of that, let's see if I can give a little preview here. Got some other lights on too. So there you actually see some of that loom. Yeah, very cool. Okay, let's get the lights back on. There we go. Okay, get it on wrist, and then we'll close up the video. Not really decorated, but still looks cool. Sorry, one more thing. I'm pretty sure this is just calf leather. I don't think it's crocodile, real crocodile. Just looks like it, or alligator, or whatever you want to call it. Yeah, I know the difference between an alligator and a crocodile, but not these straps. Leather's a little bit stiff right out the box, but it is a brand new watch, so kind of expected. Anyway, there we go on my 6.5-inch wrist with 52 millimeter wristband, and I haven't measured it, but the diameter should be 38, and I believe the lug to lug is just under 45. So I think it looks great size for my wrist here. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button. I really appreciate it, and it really does help me out. Let me know what you think of this watch. And as always, thank you for your time, and thank you for watching.